Hi friends, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. I wanted to show you the one and only Bushman's gate we have on the farm. It's our first Bushman's gate, and we probably have more on the farm if I realized how inexpensive and easy and strong these gates really are. So let's take a look at the construction of it. Relatively easy to make. You can make it out of a lot of different materials, but I had a couple treated posts laying around, and this here's just a ring of wire. It goes around, and then there's one down at the bottom of the post. And then we have this here I put on as 6 wire, put our termination knots on, and then the battens, a piece of 1-inch conduit, and then I tied it in place with just soft wire to keep them evenly spaced. And then over here at this end, it also has an old fence post that we had, and then it's got the ring around the top. Most of the time they don't have this second post on here, but I can actually completely tear this gate out and move it out of the way, because at some point here I'm going to be cutting the timber back in here, or doing some TSI work in the woods, and I want to completely take that gate out so I can skid the wood out through that opening. This one here I designed with a self-tightening mechanism. This little board here, we push it in, unlock it, put that up, pick our post up, and we pull our gate back. We can also detach that post over there and just take the whole thing out of there. It's actually relatively simple to make, inexpensive in price in comparison to a pipe gate, or even a spring gate for that matter. It costs a lot less than a spring gate, and it seems like spring gates don't hold up too well. But I needed a stronger gate right here, because you've seen a strainer knot in a previous video. So we tighten that up. That pulls this post back, makes this nice and tight. We tied a strainer knot. It would have been a previous video to this one. It's been about 3 weeks since the strainer knot's been in here. Still nice and tight, not slipping. I don't know if any deers got up against it or not. Back to the Bushman's gate here. We set that alleyway back to that gate back there. But oftentimes with calves, if you only have like a single strand or something and you're on a turn, and we bring livestock flow into here, and we only have like 1 strand or 2 strands here, the cows will make the turn, and those doggone calves will keep going straight. Then the next thing you know, you have calves out. So I wanted something a little bit more substantial right here on this turn to help prevent that. And like I said, I didn't want to buy another or move another pipe gate around, and never built a Bushman's gate, and I think it turned out pretty good. Something maybe you could use on your farm. It's not a gate that I'd want to go through every day, but it is a gate that is extremely strong and will easily serve its purpose. If you have sheep or something, you might want to put an extra couple strands on that, but works pretty good. Okay friends, Just a short video there for you. I wanted you to take a look at the Bushman's gate. Pretty nice gate, I think, and something maybe you could use on your farm. Signing off, friends. Thanks for watching the videos. Thank you for your support. And if, like I said before, if you're new to the channel, you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. So long.